What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and the Eagles won the Super Bowl, y'all. So everybody's happy out here in Philly. But here, I have a new car here for you guys, a new truck, and this is the GP Toys Flame Peace S916, and this is a little two-wheel drive truck here. As you can see, pretty cool. Got two little drivers inside, and it has some body pins I removed already, and top just rolls back like that. It's not fully detachable, you just flip it back, so pretty cool. And here it has a lithium ion battery, 800 milliamp hours. Just undo those latches and you have access to it. There's a proprietary connection there, and the on and off switch is inside here, so we're going to switch it on. We're going to put the cover back on. And so this is the transmitter here. Typical transmitter from GP Toys as well. And so let's check this thing out and see how it runs. So the wind was pretty bad, and so here we are doing this voiceover. I didn't want to let you guys hear all of that noise, but this is a pretty nice little car, pretty decent speed on it for what it is. It's only two-wheel drive, but it has nice suspension and all. I think the tires are hollow, and the suspension is not oil filled, but it's a pretty decent suspension though. It works. As you can see, I hit that bump there and it just bounces a little. So it's nice enough to get you through hitting bumps and all. And I'm spinning out quite a bit here, and that could be because of the rain. The ground is a little wet. All of those spin outs there weren't done on purpose. And so here I'm getting a little bit of the hang of it. And so I'm going to take it up inside this yard here, the construction yard, so we can do some off-road running. Here I'm playing around with the little bit of gravel that's here up the front. Now I'm about to take it over to these rocks here. Now these rocks are kind of large, and this rock mound, it couldn't make it up the rock mound because it's only two-wheel drive and it's rear wheel drive, no front traction there to pull it up over the rocks. But it does go over the rocks pretty easily that are on the ground. And these rocks are a little large for a model this small. And so the suspension really helps though. It does make it over these rocks with no problem. As you can see here, I'm just running right over them. And so that's it. A quick run of the GP Toys Flame Peace S916. Thanks for watching.